So the first thing you want to do is to head over to your drive, click on Google Form and select blank form. So next, let's name our form title. Let's name it a registration form, or let's create for maybe a data analysis registration form. So we'll say registration form. Next, let's give a description to this. You can format it any way you want using all this format option. So next, first question will be full name. So write full name, put this to short answer, then click required. That means that it's a must that this person must fill that. So we'll duplicate this, we'll call this one email address required. We'll click required also and short answer. And we'll duplicate again. Let's name this okay, let's say gender. So we're going to do multiple options. So our first option will be like male, second option female, sorry, what is it? Okay, so female. Our next option, prefer not to say, something like, so yeah, we'll click required also. And then to add on that question, we'll click the plus sign. Let's say this one, let's say complete address, we'll say paragraph, and then required. So duplicate this and write another one. We'll say let's say training slash seminar, or training slash seminar, or let's say no, mentorship, since it's a data analysis stuff. So let's say training slash mentorship. So we're going to click this and click on drop down, then we'll add our option. Let's say Excel automation training. We can add another one, Google Sheet training, Google Sheet mentorship or something, masterclass. Okay, let's use masterclass. Power BI training. Okay, let's add our last one. We'll say data analyst. What should we say here now? Data analyst workshop. Okay, since it's okay, data analyst workshop, that's good. We'll click required. Then let's add another one. Okay, let's see how many we have. Okay, let's add another one again. I'm just doing this for like tutorial sake. So let's say preferred date, training date. So this we're just going to click on the date to allow the applicant select which date that is okay for them. So we'll click required. Once this is done, we'll click publish and make sure the link is accessible by anyone with the link. Then we'll click publish. So let's copy this, shorten this and copy the link. Head over to a new browser, paste this and let's test it. So let's fill out this information here accordingly. So let me just fill random information to test our form. So say name, let's say Wikefe. Okay, no, let's say Wikefe Divine. Email, put email Divine or at gmail.com. Okay, let's say female, they'll put address. So I'm just filling any random stuff to see test our distance. So training dates, and then so let's head over to our form now to see if the response has dropped. So head over to our form. We'll go back to our form. So click on respond, and then we'll see we have one response. You see, this is it here. Then let's link this to a Google Sheet. Either create a new sheet or existing sheet. So we are doing create sheet. So this is it. It has appeared yet. Once anyone fills this form, this is what we do. So next, let's click on extension apps app script. This we want to create a link so that whenever anyone apply, will get a email notification. So let's name this sheet registration form. Let's rename our script registration form. So let's clear all any existing code here. Let's head over to our notepad to copy our code. We'll copy this script. You can comment script in the comment section so that I will drop you the script. So we'll come here, we'll paste it. Let's copy it. Comment script in the comment section for me to drop the script for you. Copy, then you paste it. Hello. All you have to do is that script side. Yeah, you change the email address to your email address, this place here, to your email address, so that the email will get to you. And make sure the script name is exactly as it is in your Google Sheet, the sheet name. So that's it. That's all. So once you are done, we'll click on this trigger, then add trigger. This will leave it like this. Head on form submission, the word about from sheet. Then here we're going to click on form submission. Then here click on go to sheet form submission. Let's click on this. Then once you do continue, it will soon give access. So we have to go back to give access. So click here, select all, then come to continue. Then this is it. So it's already working. So let's go back and test this now. Let's submit another form. Let's submit another registration form. So let's fill this up. Please don't forget to like this video if it's helpful. So female, fill it up, submit, and let's go to our email to see if we got an email notification. Let's change this email and see it here. New registration received from Google. Click on it. New registration received from Google Sheet. You see it, the applicant name, everything is here. And also it's also registered in the Google Sheet. And also the person applying will also get an email saying thank you for registering or something. Let me I'll paste the email. Okay, yeah, that is the email that the person will receive. Hope it was helpful. Bye.